A nest into the woods, everyone's fantasized idea about true outdoor experience and living. To be one with nature, to breathe into the serenity. Adding in the current pandemic scenario, everyone is seeking an escape to be safe and isolated in one's own healthy environmental vicinity, which is also beneficial in boosting immunity. Living in a healthier environment was a luxury before, but more often has become a necessity today. But having such a lifestyle isn't right away possible given our city has taken a toll on it. But the Seva Group has stood by their words and brought these dreams into reality. Experience of such an astonishing countryside feel is just a mere drive away from Mumbai and Thane, and such a proximity promotes it further as a perfect weekend home. At a mere 70 kilometers from Mumbai and 55 kilometers from Thane lies this pristine, rustic experience situated amidst uninterrupted lush green abodes. Green Willows, Life in Nature, Shahpur, Thane. Project by the Seva Group. Green Willows is just 4.5 kilometers from Maharashtra's most ambitious project, Mumbai-Nagpur Samruddhi Mahamarg Junction, which improves its connectivity. Due to these upcoming infrastructure upgrades, it would be a mere 45-minute drive from the Mulund toll exit Eastern Express Highway. Development follows as the connectivity increases, proving it to be a potentially good option for investment. It is surrounded with uninterrupted lush green mountains and hillocks spread across acres and acres throughout the year, even in the driest of months like May, accompanied with the beautiful, serene, perennial Lenad River. Seva Group has always been passionate about their projects. Mr. Mangal Chavan, founder and managing director of the Seva Group, is an engineer by profession and a passionate developer of green willows. And thus, with his passion and revolutionary vision of we build every home as our own, he has proved their worth by delivering an explicit project like Green Willows and made it a recognized rustic destination. And their dedication is thus reflected through the acknowledgements and their tokens of appreciation received in the form of following awards and accolades. Let's hear it from Mangal Chavan himself.
Hi, Namaskar. I want to share something about our project Green Willows Shahpur. I have always aspired to develop the innovative real estate projects at the best locations. After rigorous search of 4 to 5 years, I found this destination on the bank of Lenad River, which flows around the years and surrounded by 360-degree lush green mountains and hillocks. Green Willows has been developed out of passion and the obsession of giving the best quality home to the customers. We have already delivered 40 villas and other 15 villas are at various stages of the constructions. Our endeavor is to develop and make the Green Willows one of the best destinations of India. We are very much thankful to all our esteemed customers and well-wishers who trusted us for the years. We are committed to live up to your expectations, and after all, your dreams are our aspirations. Thank you.
Spread across a lavish 16 acres of green beds encompassing around 100 villas and an internationally branded wellness resort of 150 rooms, wrapped and situated amidst the lush greens of Shahpur, Thane. The project Green Willows has already delivered 40 villas and other 15 are under constructive stages. The project is all set and decked with 2 BHK row villas and 3 BHK twin and independent villas, 4 BHK river-facing platinum villas. All floorings done of anti-skid and vitrified tilings. Equipped with highest grades of electrical and water plumbing systems. also inclusive of various recreational activity zones like recreational and corporate training areas, fully equipped open gyms, fully equipped garden and play areas for kids. Sports area consists of a cricket ground, a football ground and a tennis court spread across more than an acre. Cultural activities too are arranged and performed quite often here. Let's see what these happily satisfied families have to say about Green Willows.
So during lockdown and quarantine where entire Mumbai was within 4 walls, we got a beautiful place like this.
न्यू ईयर हो, चाहे होली हो, चाहे दिवाली हो, कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो यहीं सेलिब्रेट होता है. सब लोग साथ में फुल एंजॉय करते हैं.
I really like the ambience of this place. It's very much pollution free and sound free.
Especially thanks to Mr. Chavanji and the teams. They all support us last 83 days here. Thank you so much.
Further adding to the scenario, we are highly obliged as we have launched Phase 2, which comprises of 2 BHK row villas, 3 BHK twin villas, 3 BHK independent classic villas and premium villas. Exclusive edition 4 BHK river-facing platinum villas with a scenic river view. All equipped with the branded electrical and plumbing accessories and guaranteed highest quality infrastructure. Several highlight areas nearby worth paying a visit. Manas Mandir, 12 kilometers. Bhatsa Dam and Modak Sagar Dam, Tansa Dam, located in Shahpur, supplying 80% of their water to Mumbai. Trekkers Paradise, Mauli Fort, 10 kilometers. We'll be seeing a smart city developed in near future fairly at a 3 kilometers from Green Willows. All the projects by Seva Group are financially approved by all the leading banks, thus providing transparency and hassle-free banking, financial support and advisory approvals to all our future upcoming customers. Indeed, the very first of its kind. Such future first homes delivered right in the lap of nature and comes with a guarantee of 24/7, 365 uninterrupted greenscapes, mountains and hillocks all over 360 degrees accompanied by a perennial Leonard River, providing a complete tranquility dive and a healthiest lifestyle. A passionately driven project by the very promising Seva Group brought to the mankind's upliftment in all the possible aspects. Truly, rustic, enthralling experience. Green Willows, life in nature.